Hey crypto enthusiasts! Ever bought some crypto on Kraken and wanted to move it to a different wallet? Maybe you've got a shiny new hardware wallet you want to test drive, or perhaps you found a killer staking opportunity on another platform. Whatever the reason, sending your crypto from Kraken is a breeze. But with all the technical terms floating around the cryptosphere, it's easy to feel a little intimidated. Fear not, fearless crypto adventurer. In this video, we'll break down the process of sending your funds from Kraken to another wallet in a simple and step-by-step manner. By the end, you'll be a pro at transferring your crypto with confidence. Now, before we dive in, a quick heads up. This video will focus on transferring cryptocurrencies, not fiat currency, like dollars or euros. If you're looking to withdraw cash from Kraken, there's a separate process for that, and we might cover that in a future episode. Alright, back to our crypto adventure. The first thing you need to understand is that your crypto lives on a blockchain, a giant, decentralized ledger that keeps track of all transactions. Think of it as a massive, secure spreadsheet recording every crypto movement. To move your crypto, you need to tell the blockchain network where you want it to go. Here's where your other wallet comes in. Every wallet has a unique address, kind of like a digital mailbox for your crypto. To send your funds, you'll need to copy this address from your destination wallet. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. We'll be using the Kraken website for this demonstration, but the general steps are similar for the mobile app as well. Step 1. Sign in and navigate. First things first, head over to the Kraken website and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Funding tab. This is where the magic happens. Step 2. Find your crypto. Within the Funding tab, you'll see a section for Withdraw. Click on Withdraw, and you'll be presented with a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold on Kraken. Find the specific crypto you want to transfer and click on it. Step 3. Add your destination address. This is where things get crucial. Remember that address we talked about earlier? Here's where you'll put it to use. Click on the Add Address button. A pop-up window will appear. Here, you can either paste the wallet address you copied earlier or scan a QR code if your destination wallet offers that option. Double-check the address for accuracy. A typo here could mean your crypto gets lost in the blockchain abyss, and that's definitely not where we want it to go. Step 4. Double-check and confirm. Once you've added the address, Kraken will ask you to confirm. This is your final chance to make sure everything is correct. Review the address, the amount you're transferring, we'll get to that in a sec, and any network fees involved, more on that later too. If everything looks good, hit that Confirm Withdrawal button. Step 5. Security measures. Depending on your Kraken security settings, you might be prompted for additional verification. This could involve entering a two-factor authentication code or responding to a prompt on your Kraken app. These extra steps might seem like a hassle, but they're there to keep your hard-earned crypto safe. Step 6. Patience is a virtue. Once you've confirmed everything, Kraken will process your withdrawal request. The transaction time can vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency and network congestion. For some faster blockchains, it might be a matter of minutes. For others, it could take an hour or so. Kraken will usually provide you with a transaction ID that you can use to track the progress on a blockchain explorer. Bonus tip: network fees explained. Earlier, we mentioned network fees. These are small charges that miners or validators on the blockchain network take for processing your transaction. Think of it like a gas fee for your crypto journey. The fee can vary depending on the network traffic and the specific cryptocurrency. Kraken will usually display the estimated fee before you confirm the withdrawal. Step 7. Welcome to your new crypto home. Once the transaction is complete, your crypto will be chilling out in your new wallet, ready for whatever crypto adventures you have planned. Remember, always send a small test amount first, especially if you're using a new wallet address. This way, you can confirm everything works.